Good morning children, back to the class. So, are you all studying? I have given you some work yesterday. I hope you all are completing that work. What was the work? I told you to see the exercises by yourself, and I have given you the PDF also. So, please see and complete the PDF of lesson 11 also. Now, let us go to the new topic today. What is our new topic for third students English first? What we are seeing, my dear children? Noun possessive. What is that? Noun possessive. So the noun possessive is our lesson name. What is this meaning? Noun possessive means. And I have given one bracket and I kept one symbol I have given. What is this symbol? If you since previous class if you have seen, you will remember. Before going to know what is noun possessive, they have given some sentences. We will read out. Rita is a untidy girl. Look at her room. They have given the picture. If you see page number 29, look at the picture. Rita's room. It has written on the picture top. The Rita's room is how untidy. The Rita is an untidy girl. Means she is an untidy girl. Look at her room. Means she has kept her things how we can see. Rita's books is on the chair. Have you seen the next one? Rita's dress is on the mat. She left the dress on the mat. Rita's shoes are in the dustbin. Where she left these shoes? In the dustbin. Rita's water bottle is on the floor. Water bottle also she left on the floor. The next, Rita's doll is on the windowsill. So near the windowsill, there she left the water doll. Her baby doll is there. That. So these are the things. How do we know that all these things belongs to Rita? How we came to know this many sentences? What are the sentences they have given? Rita's, what is it? Rita's books. Rita's book is on the table. Rita's book is on the chair. So Rita's book is on the chair. The next one, Rita's, what again? Rita's, whatever it comes, a dress or a bottle, whatever. All these things they have mentioned here. What they have mentioned? Rita only they mentioned or Rita's. So here, this one, mainly we have to say, remember, this is the one. How we came to know all these things are Rita. So how we came to know? We know that all things belongs to Rita because of the apostrophe. So how we came to know, dear children? Because of the apostrophe. So what do we call this one is what? Apostrophe. Noun possessive means mine. So the possessiveness word why we use noun possessive means the possessive means it is mine. That possessiveness, this is belongs to me, means only mine. This book is mine. So this is Rita's book. So it is belongs to her only. That is the possessiveness. Only it is not anybody. She is very possessive about her things. We say. Why she is very possessive? Because that is our own belongings. So that is the thing. So when it is the own, when we feel that is ours, that possessiveness, that we call possessive. That's why we used here as a name noun possessive. So this apostrophe, what is this in the bracket I get? This is the apostrophe. This apostrophe is the main here. To confirm that this is Rita's. Rita means Rita book we cannot. Rita, is it Rita book? That is a question. It may be Rita's or not. But here Rita's book. Rita's book is on the chair. So here in this situation, Rita's, this apostrophe, what is this? This apostrophe makes the thing clear this is belongs to particular person. Who is that particular person here we are discussing? Rita. Who is the particular person we are discussing? Rita. So all the things whatever in the room, that all the things is belongs to Rita. Why? It is Rita's room. What is this? It is Rita's room. Whose room it is? Rita's. So that's Rita's. So you see, yes. So after the Rita, we have used the apostrophe. So after the apostrophe only, after the apostrophe, what we have added? Yes. So here apostrophe is plus yes. Also you have to add. Plus yes should be there. Then it tells us an apostrophe shows possessiveness there, possessive belongs to. So what it is? It belongs to the particular person. The apostrophe only is giving us information. This is belongs to Rita, not anybody else. This is belongs to Rita only. This apostrophe only helping. And plus yes. After the apostrophe, what we have to add? Yes. So that it will be Rita's. Rita's room. So clear? Apostrophe when we add, it tells us this thing is belong to that particular person. Belonging to the person who is main. Means that things are belongs to her. What is Appana Bulli? So like that. Belongs to me. This is belongs to me we will say. Whatever book or anything. In the mainly when we see Rita's room, many things are there. That all things belongs to Rita. So when we want to particularly say that this all things are belongs to Rita, so what we are using it? Apostrophe we are using plus yes. So yes also after the apostrophe we will be using the letter yes. So Rita's room. What is this? Rita's room. So clear how we are using the apostrophe now. Now we will see the exercises so that we can understand a little more clearly. So here we add an apostrophe plus yes to show that this belongings to a person. How what I said? This or why we add this apostrophe plus yes, because we are showing that these belongings are particularly to that particular person. For example, the hand of the boy. The hand of the boy means the hand of the boy when we want. So in a short, how we want the boy's hand. Instead of writing the hand of the boy, immediately we can write what we can write? The boy's hand. So the boy's hand. Where is the teacher? The hand of the boy. Instead of telling the hand of the boy, the boy's hand. So only one boy, the boy's hand. So that we were telling when we want to say in a short form and when we want to say this belonging means it is with him or with what particular person. So this is the thing. Now let us see the exercise number 1. What is now exercise number 1 we will see. So exercise number 1, make it short, it is breaking the flow. So make it short. The flow is breaking. So we have to make it a short. It should not be very long. So use the apostrophe to show possessive whose. So we have to use the possessive use. Whose that word? The first one, the birthday of Sheila. So the birthday of Sheila. Whose birthday? So what word we have used here? Whose birthday? Whose birthday? What particularly we are asking there? Whose birthday? So what word they have told us? Whose birthday? Means the birthday of Sheila. Instead of telling the birthday of Sheila, so you want to ask them whose birthday? Then the birthday of Sheila. The next one you see the fish of the kitten. So the fish of the kitten here. So the kitten is here. So then how you will make it? Whose kitten? Whose kitten? What we have to use here? Whose kitten. Then question mark. Whose kitten? How will it? The fish of the kitten. The fish of the kitten. So same way like this only how to make the son of the Mr. name. Whose son? Whose son? He is a Mr. Son. So like that you have to make it. So using the whose word here you have to complete this exercise. I will give you as a video, but you also try so that you will have one idea. So this is the one. The next exercise number 2 and all we will see in the next class. Till here, please see the video. Then only you will understand what I am teaching and all. Without seeing video means grammar, my dear children, very difficult. You cannot understand. Make sure that you are watching the video. Thank you.